Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix not enough storage download error on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. So this issue might have two causes. The first one is your device not being connected to a stable network, which we can resolve by opening the control center and checking our Wi-Fi connection. If it says strong, then the issue isn't there. Then let's check the storage. Go to your device's settings by clicking the gear icon, and after that check your system preferences. Here you'll find storage management, and here make sure that you have enough available storage to download the desired piece of software. If you don't have it, you're gonna have to either delete some of these files, like browsing data can be easily deleted if you just select browser data and then select the period for which you want to delete it. Then the applications can be also very easily deleted. If you go to the apps menu, find the application that you don't need and click uninstall next to it. And the rest of the files can be backed up. You can either do this by going to files and transferring your files stored locally to your Google Drive folder or to an external SSD. After you do that and try to restart the download, everything will start working fine. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.